English ivy was originally planted as an ornamental and ground cover. Some of the aspects that made it so desirable are the issues we're having today. The lush leaves that block out light, the growth rate, and its ability to climb were all seen as positives. But once this noxious weed got out of control, it became overwhelming, smothering native plants, choking out mature trees, and creating a monoculture in our diverse forest. To cut a survival ring, you will need pruners and good gloves. We also recommend closed-toed sturdy shoes. To start, remove the leaves at shoulder height down to expose the network of vines on the tree. The vines will be going every which way and have roots that hold on to the bark. At shoulder height, carefully cut a line across the vines all the way around the tree. Be careful not to cut the tree or peel any bark off. Thicker vines may need loppers or a pruning saw. After cutting, carefully pull ivy down and off of tree in a sweeping motion towards the ground. Then use your hands to pull the ivy back from the tree and gather it. You may need to clip roots as they are connected to the ground or around the tree. It's recommended to cut 3 or 4 feet all around the tree at the base and clear it of ivy. Here are some volunteers saving a big leaf maple at Green Tukwila Day at Tukwila Park. They are using these techniques to clear the trunk and 3 to 4 feet at the base of the tree. Way to go!